guys, welcome. So we're going on a little trip today. We are going to Germany. I know it's dark and you can barely see me, but we are picking up Aleš right now. He's the friend who helped me with taking the engine out, and we are going to Germany, to Bayern region. It's about 6 in the morning and it's Sunday, and you know, we're ready for a road trip. So I hope the guy doesn't sleep anymore. He doesn't. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. So we are already in Germany. We had some rain in Austria. It was pissing all the way, and a lot of construction sites. So we started at about 6 o'clock and now it's 10 to 11 and we are not far from the destination. Yeah, so we might do some detours for some extra parts, but it's looking good. The sun is out, we have time, everything is going as planned. The daily driver still runs, so you know, everything is as it should be. We are now on the German Autobahn without speed restrictions, but due to 1.9 liter diesel and a huge Zafira, we didn't exceed supersonic speeds, so we're keeping it safe. Anyways, we'll talk to you later once we get some parts. We'll not film the buying stuff because we're not sure if the guy is all right with it, so we will inform you what we bought and if we manage to get anything. So see you later. Hello everyone, we are driving towards Slovenia. We are now near Regensburg. Yeah. We got a full car. We have managed to get some extra parts that we don't even need, but it was a good offer. I would like to thank Ben, who has managed to save the parts for me while I was on surgery and everything, so thanks a lot. He has some cool looking old Opels. I'll link his Instagram account below in the description, so check it out if you're interested in that kind of cars. And now we have managed to pick up a pair of front seats. Now all we gotta do is drive for 6 straight hours home, and this is it. We're probably going to have to unload tomorrow because the car is full, and we'll probably come home like 11 at night or something like that. But yeah, Aleš was a great route planner, so we didn't get lost that often. So yeah, I have managed to get the passenger doors also because mine are completely rusted, and this needs some repair, but not as much as mine. And we have managed to get some rear lights and rear pop-out windows, the front axle that will be useful for some parts, and we're going to throw some parts away. 2 seats, gas tank. That was the most important thing why I came, because my gas tank is completely ruined and it's really hard to get them. So I have managed to get some pretty nice things, but I was also getting some candy-like parts, but unfortunately this plan didn't go through because the seller was kind of not serious. But anyways, it's a good day. We've managed to get some good parts and we're happy about it. So now it's just our drive home, and hopefully Aleš will provide us with some good music. So see you later. So this is it, driver change. close to Slovenia now. We are closing into Graz, which is on the southern part of Austria. The car is full. It has been pissing all the way back through Austria, so definitely sucks. The best part of driving through Austria were the tunnels, so it sucks. But anyways, we are slowly closing in this day, and I hope you've been enjoying this video. We got some parts. We'll probably post a few of those on Instagram, and I will show you what I got in